How to do anything television brings you a new video to show you guys in this tutorial a quick way to access your Instagram archives via a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Instagram. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, wait for that to load. Now let's navigate to Instagram. Make sure that you are signed into the account. So let's now continue as our account. Once we are signed in, let's then go to profile. And here on top, we have view archive. Click on this. This will now take us to the full archive for the account that we have signed into. And it says that only you can see your archived stories unless you choose to share them. So this is everything that has been posted to the account and everything that has been posted today also on screen. So we can go back one. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.